Also excited for a little bit of a warm up, and then we got some snow coming at the end of the week.
We got a little of everything coming. Just wouldn't be winter without it around here, would it? Here's a look at the time lapse again. Kind of start out that heavy cloud cover. We did get breaks of sunshine mixed in through our afternoon, and then kind of closing out the day with some clearer skies. We'll be staying warm overnight. We'll be hanging out in the 20s around the Twin Cities. We'll find some warmer temperatures on the map, especially tomorrow, and a little more sunshine to add to your day. But rain and snow chances, those are also returning to the forecast. We're looking primarily through the work week, Tuesday, Wednesday, even Thursday and Friday. Kind of 1-2 systems right there, right in the middle of the work week. And then we'll watch for a few flurries, quite possibly, as we look to next weekend. But the bulk of it looks like it is going to be primarily into Thursday, then kind of wrap it up probably early Friday, the way things are looking in the forecast right now. Here's a look at the temperatures. And many of us enjoying some mild numbers right now, many of us into the 20s, but you are going to find some of those warmer temperatures tucked away in southwest Minnesota, southwest of the Minnesota River Valley. Again, numbers have been climbing a bit higher than the rest of the area, and that is because there's far less snowpack there to cool that air above it, as well as less snow to reflect the sun's energy. So you're going to see numbers climbing a bit higher in that part of the region. Elsewhere, again, some pretty decent snowpack still on the ground. Check out those winds southwesterly, and again, helping to feed in some warmth right now. Winds have been about 5 to 15 for most of the day, a little bit stronger in the southwest corner of the state. So the feel like temperatures, again, this really shows the difference of what we're dealing with. Wind chills in the 20s. 36 for Ortonville, but 26 in Marshall, 12 in St. Cloud, 7 in Duluth, Brainerd sitting at 9, 15 for Menominee and the Twin Cities right now. As you take a look at the satellite and the radar, again, we saw more and more sunshine emerging to the west. We'll enjoy the clear skies for the time being. Some light snow showers across northern Minnesota, like I said earlier. Snowfall totals that have been coming in rather spotty, but on the 1 to upwards of 2 inches on average. A little more of that snowfall beginning to pile up closer to the north shore of Lake Superior and into the Arrowhead region. We are going to be watching a little bit of energy kind of working its way across the northern part of the country. That clips us and brings us a chance of some showers for Tuesday and into Wednesday, and then another system comes in right behind it Thursday and into Friday. So tomorrow we'll get to those upper 30s, and again, hit and miss with the rain, hit and miss with the sun and the clouds tomorrow. Wind chills won't be too terrible. Here's the microcast as you go through Monday evening into Tuesday morning. Rather early, you can see rain, snow across northern Minnesota, northern Wisconsin. Twin Cities probably going to pick up a little bit of that rain. Then we get a little wraparound precipitation as we close out Tuesday and get into Wednesday. But it looks like much of that clears out by Wednesday morning very early. Temperatures tomorrow, look at that, 30s and 40s and maybe a 50 in southwest Minnesota. And for the 7-day forecast, we do have a weather impact alert there for Thursday, the second half of the day, with those snow showers to kind of round out the tail end of our work week.